how to bank transfer from Ring app. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to transfer funds from your Ring app to your bank account. In order to do that procedure, you have to follow this general step. First of all, you need to go ahead and log into your Ring application. Now, due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just gonna instruct you. Then once you're logged in, look for the option or select or section within the app that allows you to transfer funds or manage your account balance. This may be labeled as transfer, withdraw, or something similar. And then choose the option to transfer funds to your bank account. This may involve selecting your linked bank account as a destination or for the transfer, and you have to provide in the necessary details for transfer, including the amount you wish to transfer and any other required information such as bank details and all that. Once done with that procedure, double check the transfer details to ensure the accuracy, including the amount, the information that you've provided, and then you can just go ahead and confirm the transaction. Next, you'll be receiving a confirmation message stating that you've successfully transferred money from your Ring app to bank account. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.